You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah, I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kite and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right there too, so you can be notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That's every week you get to see me, and gonna get this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit. We get it on the pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping. So y'all, this video, look, I'm just literally, this video is me coming to my PCOS warriors. Like, I need y'all help because I'm literally struggling. I'm really struggling. I thought I had a hold on this thing, but I don't at all. Everything is just spiraling out of control for me, and I didn't know how bad it was getting until, y'all know I told you I was doing good. I had just found out what diet was working for me. I don't like to say diet, but I had just found a lifestyle change that was working for me. But since I've been doing this same lifestyle change, I just hit another hump, and it's like once I take a step forward, I get knocked back 10, and it's just frustrating because I don't know which direction to go in, and I've tried all I can try, and at this point I don't know what to do. When I started this journey, this PCOS reversal journey, January the 4th, I had did the gluten-free, I took dairy out of my diet, I limited my meat intake, try to eat salmon because salmon is a good fatty fish. I started eating whole grains, I eat whole wheat, I do all of that, and it's still not enough. It still is not helping me, and at this point I'm frustrated, y'all, and I just need some advice, some tips on what direction do I need to go in. Like, nothing is working for me. I've done low carb and it hasn't worked. I've done keto and it hasn't worked, and at this point I'm thinking maybe I need to starve myself. I know y'all, I'm talking out loud. Don't take me serious about that part, but the rest of it, I am dead serious. At this point, I don't know what to do. I work out 3 to 5 times a week. I try to, because I was watching Rachel Oss videos, and that's who was helping me. Like, I was doing what she was doing, and it started off good. I had lost 10 pounds, and I was like, I was feeling great, but it's like after about a month into it, my weight stopped going down and it was starting to go back up, and I'm like, what the hell? I don't understand. It's like, this is a frustrating thing to deal with, and the birth control wasn't working for me, so I decided to just stop taking those because I don't like being on birth control. Anyways, I told y'all that I don't like birth control because I had a bad experience with taking birth control when I was a teenager, so I didn't want to go through that with the birth control, and the fact that birth control just wasn't doing what it needed to do for me. The Regulate that I was taking, it was working for me, but I stopped taking that because I started taking the other brand that I've been taking, and that has started working to regulate my cycle, but it's like it's not doing, I don't know. And then y'all know I had said that the hirsutism thing was slowing down. It's starting to get back out of control. It's like, I don't know if it's my body feeling like I'm stressed or something, and I know that I'm stressed because I'm stressed over the PCOS, and it's like, how am I gonna stop stressing when what I'm dealing with is causing me to stress? And it's like, it's easier said than done to just stop completely stressing over it, but it's so many things that causes it, so many things that goes into this that is causing me to spiral out of control, to make my mind just go 1,000 miles a minute, because it's like everything I'm doing is not enough, it's not working enough, and I don't know which direction to go in. I go to my doctor appointment Monday, and if she can't give me answers as to what is gonna work for me besides birth control, I don't know what I need to do. And that's why I'm coming to y'all, because I need some advice. I follow many PCOS groups on Facebook. I did pages on Instagram. I followed this doctor on TikTok that talks about PCOS, and he says things that we could try to do to reverse the PCOS. I saw a lot of women on here on YouTube who are now talking about their experience with PCOS, and they were saying that they did keto, and it's like, keto doesn't work for me because I also have high cholesterol, and with high cholesterol I can't eat all of that cheese and dairy and stuff, and I could incorporate other things, but keto calls for coconut oil, it calls for like you eat chicken and all. So I'm trying to limit myself from those things, and I'm frustrated, y'all. Yesterday I literally broke down at work because I was so frustrated and I was so angry. I was just so mad. Like I had got a package in the mail, and when I was playing with the package, I was trying to, you know, scrape it off the thing because it was like a decal, and the thing completely messed up, and I got so frustrated, y'all. I got so frustrated, and Kevin was like, what you get so mad for? And it's like, I'm just so frustrated. Little things make me frustrated because it's like this, I can't get a hold of it. I don't know what to do. Like, I started my weight loss journey in 2018, and I vowed to myself that I'll never go back, and it's like at this point I'm not taking steps back. This PCOS is what's causing me to take steps back, and I'm so freaking frustrated. I'm so frustrated, y'all. I don't know what to do. I didn't want to come on this camera looking like this, but I need some help. I need some advice. Like, what do y'all suggest that I do? Do y'all have like any medications that you were taking when you were if you have PCOS? What did your doctor prescribe for you? So when I go back to the doctor Monday, because this video is going to be up before Monday, I can look in the comment section and get some of you guys' suggestions and take them back to my doctor and ask my doctor, where do she think that it'll work for me? Because I need some help, because I'm just completely losing my mind, because every lifestyle change that I'm trying to take, I'm steady gaining weight, and I don't know what direction I need to go in, because I don't want to gain the weight back. I don't want to go down that road again with dealing with my weight, because it's frustrating and it makes me miserable when I have a lot of weight on me, and I don't want to deal with that. A lot of people don't know what PCOS entails, and I don't want to go and put my problems on other people, because if I, you know, start a program and it doesn't work out for me, I don't want to get upset at the people who, you know, have done it, who are trying to help me on this program, and it's because it won't be their fault. It's just something that they may not be able to guide me on, because they don't know the ins and outs that go in with PCOS. Y'all just don't know how much I research PCOS. I've bought cookbooks, I've bought meal plans, I've just been doing so much research for my hair, for my weight, for this hirsutism, so that I won't get diabetes, for the obesity stuff. So I've been doing so much research, and all of the research that I have done, none of it is like, it's like the research that I'm doing, I don't know, it's not helping. I don't know if it's me just being impatient or what, but it's frustrating, and I'm trying to do everything naturally instead of going and getting on these medications. But at this point, it seems like that's what I'm going to have to do, because what I'm trying to do naturally is not working for me. It's really not working for me, and sometimes natural things don't work for people, and we have to have the medicines to help us, because at this point, everything naturally that I'm trying is not helping me. It's not working for me, and I'm all out. I'm all out of answers. I've tried all that I can try. I'm not gonna stop the working out, because with me working out, my cycle is starting to be regulated. I have started back ovulating and stuff like that, and I want that to continue, because I am in my I'm getting older. I'm not getting younger, so I'm not getting any younger, and it's about that time. And it's just with the PCOS that can cause infertility. So I'm trying to do everything that I can to keep myself healthy, so I can start trying for a child, so I can keep my weight regulated, so I can you know, manage my hair loss, because I don't want to keep losing my hair. This is a frustrating process already. I don't want to keep going down this same road with my hair continuously coming out. That's just frustrating. All of it is frustrating, and I just need some direction. And if you guys could please help me out, and when I go back to the doctor, I can, you know, take the suggestions from you guys and see if maybe she would agree that it may be something that'll work for me, because at this point I'm all out of answers and I'm an emotional wreck. If y'all could have seen how I broke down yesterday, and I was at work because I was so frustrated, y'all wouldn't know my frustration. And sometimes your hormones will just be out of, like, way out of whack. Like, it'll get worse day after day, or it'll calm down day after day. It's like you're on this emotional roller coaster with this thing, and you just want to find something that can balance it, like it can meet you in the middle with the hormones. And that's what I'm trying to do. So that's why I made this video, just asking for help and asking for advice, because I don't know what to do. I really don't know what to do, because if I gain weight, that'll make the that'll worsen the symptoms, and that's what I'm trying to stop. So yes, that's it. I'm sorry y'all that I came on here all emotional and just all over the place, but girl, I'm struggling. And like my mama tell me all the time, a closed mouth don't get fed. So, because I need y'all, period. So that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please leave me comments. Please leave me some tips and suggestions in the comment section, because I need them. I need all that I can get. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.